So the third thing I want to talk about is the volume trap. So what's the volume trap? The volume trap is this: publish more books and you'll be okay. Publishing 3, 4, 5 books a month is a stupid strategy. It's only going to land you in hot water, and it's really not going to teach you anything that you need to know about creating long-term assets on Amazon. If your first book isn't validated or done correctly, publishing 4 more books the same way is not going to change your results. Sure, you might get lucky, but in this business, I don't want to get lucky. I want to be strategic about what I'm publishing. When I'm publishing a book, I'm not guessing it's selling. I know it's selling because I've done the homework, I've done the research, I've created it in a way that it's guaranteed to make sales. That's the difference between a high level and a low level publisher. We're not basing our thing on luck. We're basing it on the strategy that we put behind our books. I'd always rather see an account that has like 3 super strong, in-depth books in one niche than 20 books published in, general niches across multiple different types of low content, medium content, coloring book, high content, it's whatever. I'd rather see 3 solid ones going deep in one because there's so much more you can get from those 3.